Hello, I am Naresh UC, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government First Grade College, Davanagere. Today I am going to deal with third semester English language BCom syllabus which is prescribed in Davanagere University. It is session 39. Letters of complaint. In the previous class, it has discussed letter of order, purchase order placed by a customer, and it will be prepared after enquiry and getting quotation. And the learning objectives of this session to make students to know how to prepare a letter of complaint, to make them what are the formalities to be followed while writing a complaint letter, to realize what are the points to be remembered to write a complaint letter. Session outcomes, the students will come to know to write a formal complaint letter to the concerned authority. They will understand the problems are highlighted, help to improve the product and provide maximum customer satisfaction. They will come to know how to establish a relationship in business. They will realize the difference between a complaint letter and other business letters. Meaning of complaint. The complaint letter is a formal letter written to the concerned authority if you have any problems or dispute or mistakes or misbehavior or any kind of complaint. A complaint is an issue communicated by the person who bears the consequence because of that issue. Every company law owner focuses on customer relationship management. Meaning of complaint, most of the time complaints are resolved. Though complaints are negative, they are sometimes very useful for the organization. The problems highlighted help to improve the product and provide maximum customer satisfaction. Complaint letters are not to the police station because these are business letters. Responding to a complaint. It is very important that a business organization complains properly with a tact. The way in which the complaint is attended to decide the buyer will do business with the seller again or not. The goodwill of any business organization depends on the satisfaction of the customer. Acceptance of errors, honest, right, immediate action to correct it, and politeness are very important. The points to be remembered, the complaint letter should be clear and detailed. They should point out exactly what has gone wrong in the transaction. How it has caused you inconvenience. If mutually agreed upon terms have not been kept mentioned, these are referred to prior correspondence. Give the complaint letter a reference number in case the need for follow up. Do not be angry or abusive as this might cause anger and resentment. The complaint is likely to be redressed more effectively if the tone of the letter is polite but firm. Provide necessary information such as product code, order number, delivery date, payment details, quality of product, and as condition on receipt. They will give seller an opportunity to understand the problem better and solve it immediately and properly. Tips to write the format of complaint letter. Write the complaint letter in a polite manner. Though you have a complaint regarding something and frustrated, have to write the letter politely. It must have an impression on the concerned person, and chances of getting a resolution are also good. Always introduce yourself first at the left of the letter. Tips to write the format of complaint letter. Never forget to mention the date of writing the letter of receiver or recipient should be properly mentioned along with the pin code. Mention the purpose of writing a letter in subject line. Start the letter with a salutation or a proper greeting. Why complaint letter should be write? Because sometimes a customer is not completely satisfied with his transaction. On delivery, the buyer may be unhappy with the quality or quantity of the goods. It may be damaged goods which is delivered, or unwanted goods. It may be the excess goods, or the seller can be sent different goods or incorrect goods, or the goods price may be excess be charged, or with the delay in a delivery also. So, making a complaint in such case of dissatisfaction, the customer can let the supplier or service provider know about his or her discontentment. It is the customer's right to receive satisfactory goods or service. It is right of every customer or consumer to inform the seller of his or her dissatisfaction and demand that necessary action taken to rectify the faulty service provided. When making a complaint, it is important to be polite and avoid aggression or anger, and give the seller a chance to rectify the problem. See, look at the format of complaint letter. In the beginning, after the left side alignment, you must write sender's address and a date, and next receiver's address. Below that subject, you must mention the reason for complaint. After that, salutation, that is it may be dear or Mr. or Miss. And after that, you must write body of the letter and introduction. In the introduction, you must write in the beginning main reasons to write the letter, and next conclusion, and you must mention the closing of letters and yours faithfully, and finally the signature. So this is the format of complaint letter. Thank you.